camp a canoe, and Captain Jack Sparrow on the forums was asked a question: what do you do with your spare or extra suspension line in a cinch buckle system? I tried to make a response, but the easiest way I can do it is just to show. So what I do, you have your cinch buckle. I always put a slippery half hitch in. Not that I've ever had one slide. And what I do is take my fingers through, make a loop, fingers through the loop, pull the line through, make a loop. Fingers through the loop, pull the line through. Fingers through the loop, pull through. Fingers through, pull through. Fingers through, pull through. That's it. Then when I'm done, I'm ready to pack up, grab the end, all done. Simple, that's what I do.